my friends and fans? Welcome to Silent Assassin. Thank you, game. Anyway, we're playing Silent Assassin, and, we're spectating right now. The round ended. Assassin, Glimmick, has been prevented from escaping. Everyone did, 100% damage. That dude did a lot of damage. Shout out to Asova22. Now, I don't know what his name is, but it was TV something. Yeah, what a wuss, man. Huge wuss. You wanna know why I said that? Cause he just came in, he did nothing, and he shot him once. That's all I did. That's why I had 26 damage. Stereo's the target. Alright. You are the guard. Alright. Protect the target. Do not let anyone get to him. Probably shouldn't have helped him that much. Alright, come on. Assassin could be anywhere. Wait, where's the person we're supposed to be protecting? He's right here. Where's Assassin? Protect, kill. I'd love to kill him. Did the guard the assassin? Why would you guard the assassin? Something ain't right. The assassin's supposed to be here, trying to kill him, and he's just standing here. Assassin isn't doing anything. Oh god. What? Reloading. There we go. Objective. Guard assassin. Got it. Alright. Everyone looks like really fancy and they look like they could kill the person. Wait a second. There's gunshots coming from, man. Assassin is... Crap! Oh my god, the assassin killed me. Well, sorry guys, but lost and I'm always missing a foot, but my pistol helps me with that. The shop. Oh, look at this, that's a stick. Guns, please. Primary. Oh, a shotgun. I like a shotgun. I'm probably better with a shotgun. Secondary, I have a pistol. Ooh! I'm also good with a revolver. Machine pistol. I'd probably take the revolver because of how much damage it does. Holy moly, that's a lot of damage. The fire rate is pretty slow, but the accuracy is really high, and so is the damage. This damage is pretty high, fire rate is low, and accuracy is low too. Assault rifle, pretty good, but the damage is low. Now the rifle, a lot of damage. Good accuracy, but not that good fire rate. And only have 5 because, that was the game. A torch. Banana peel. Oh my god. Alright, he's the target for the assassin. I'm a guard. What do I do? I'm stuck like this. I've lost a foot. I don't know where the assassin is. Alright, I'm guarding him. Because the assassin could strike at any moment. And I don't want that to happen. Alright, whatever. You're safe there. If he tries to get you, he'll be climbing on top of the box. Which, if he does, then, oh god. See the assassin? No. Oh, he put a banana peel there. Haha! Yeah, this dude ain't getting him. I heard something. Anyway, he's getting pretty safe up there. Wait, we only have 2 minutes until, I'm not the assassin, I'm a guard, said that. You killed him! Hey! We got some money. I did none. I did nothing, I just stood there. But hey, I got money, which is great. I got some money. I got some money. Oh, this is funny. Got some money. Money. Da-da-da-da. Money. I've got some money. Wonder what the badges are. He's the target. And where's the assassin? No one knows. I'm a guard. Oh, he's the assassin, so kill him. Alright. Good to know. There's an assassin. I'm searching for the assassin. I don't see him. Search for the assassin. Protect the target. Somebody's taking damage, which is... Whoa. Assassin's... Oh! Why'd you let him get away? Oh, at least I got 5. No one dealt any damage. He literally just swooped in and stabbed him and out. Anyway, we'll just sit here. Silent assassin, everyone. Sitting in a chair. I'm missing a leg, and I'm missing an arm too. What's happening? I'm kind of missing a foot. I'm missing every part of my body, man. I'm missing my arm and my leg. Oh, look! You're the person who just killed our last target. Now he's the, target. Wait. I have no idea why I attacked him, but... I don't know. It was just weird. Yo, assassin, where you at, homie? I don't know who I'm supposed to kill, but... I do a good job of doing it. I'm all by myself. I'm so scared. Just stand right here. He's probably gonna get away with it too. He's probably just gonna go in while we're not defending him. Wait, no, he's not the assassin.